Hello students. Today we are going to study science chapter number 8, body movements. So body movement means what? We are doing different body movements. Okay. So how these movements are happen, that we are going to see in this chapter. So sit absolutely still. Observe the movements taking place in your body. See, when you sit calmly, then you will also observe the movements that taking place in your body. So you are blinking your eyes, means these movements also you see in your body. Observe the movements in your body as you breathe. When you are breathing, that time also you observe the body movements. There are so many movements that happen in our bodies. करेक्ट. मीन जब हम शांत बैठते हैं तभी हम कभी क्या करते हैं, हम आइज ब्लिंक करते हैं. सो इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड बॉडी मूवमेंट्स. when you are breathing, that time also some body movements are takes place in our body, so this is also called movements. So like this way, different body movements that happen in our body, means for example running, jumping, eating, then skipping, walk, these all are called body movement. When you are writing in your notebook, which part of the body are you moving? Absolutely, answer is hand. We are moving our hand to write in our notebook. When you turn and look at your friend, that time we are using neck, or our neck shows this movement. Then different parts of your body move while you remain at the same place. See, when you remain or when you sit on the one place, that time also our different parts of body shows the different movements. You also move from one place to another. You get up and go to your teacher or to the school. See, means we also see, like our body parts are moving. When we are sitting, that time also our body parts are moving, but we also move from one place to another. For example, you get up and go to your teacher. मतलब जब हम बैठते हैं तभी हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स मूव करते हैं, करेक्ट. लेकिन हम भी एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस को जा सकते हैं. सो इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड वन टाइप ऑफ मूवमेंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू गेट अप एंड गो टू योर टीचर. जब हम उठ के हमारे टीचर के पास जाते हैं, दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड मूवमेंट. और टू द स्कूल कंपाउंड, दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड मूवमेंट. You walk, run, skip, jump and move from place to place. These all actions are called movements. Walk, run, skip, jump and move. These all actions are happen in our body or takes place from place to place. These all actions are called body movements. So student, these all body movements are happen in human beings. So let us see how animals move from place to place. So here given one table. So we will discuss here that table. We have to feel some the body movement that happen in the animals. So in first column, they're having the name of animals. In second column, body parts used for moving from place to place, and how does the animal move. So first is cow. Cow is using her legs to move from one place to another, and she is move by walking. So here write walk. Second, humans also, they are also using their legs, correct, legs to move from one place to another place or place to place. How does the animal move? How does the human move? Humans move, they walk, they run, they jump, correct. Snake is using its whole body, like this way, whole body. And which body part they are using? Slither. Bird also, how birds are moving? With the help of their wings, correct, wings and legs. Body parts, use body parts, okay, wings and legs. And how they are moving? They are fly. Insects also, they are using legs and wings, and some are walking and some are flying. Insects also. Fish is also using their whole body and the fins. correct, fins. And how does they move? They are swimming in the water. Okay, like this way, different animals, they are using their different body parts for moving place to place. So, walk, run, fly, jump, creep, crawl, slither and swim. These are only a few of the ways in which animals move from one place to another. So, which movements that are happen in the animals to move from one place to another? Walk, run, fly, jump, creep, crawl, slither and swim. So student, why are there so many differences in the way that animals move from one place to place? Why is it that many animals walk while a snake slither or crawls and the fish swim? So why? See, so different animals have different movements. Okay, different movements for to move from one place to another. But why? Why? So that we are going to see in our next point, that is human body and its movements. Okay, so how animals or human beings, they are use their body parts for their movements. So let us look closely at some of our own movements to being with. So first what we have to see, our own movements. हमें हमारे खुद के movements देखना है. Before looking at all these varieties of movements in animals, do you enjoy doing physical exercise at school? Are you have you enjoying PT class or physical class at school? How do you move your hands and legs while doing different exercise? So how you are moving your hands and legs while doing different exercise? See, while doing different exercise, we are up our hands, down our hands. Some are moving circular, in a circular motion their hand. So like this way, we are using our body parts to do different exercises. So see students, next, so let us try some of the many movements of our body is capable of. So we are using bowl an imaginary ball at an imaginary wicket. How did you move your arm? So see, while doing physical exercises, we are also moving our arm. So how we are moving our arm? So did you rotate it at the shoulder in a circular movement? तो हम उसको सर्कुलर मूवमेंट में ऐसे रोटेट करते हैं. Yes. Did your shoulder also move? Your shoulder also move? Yes or no? Yes. Lie down and rotate your leg at the hip. Down and rotate your leg at the hip. Bend your arm at the elbow and the leg at the knee. Stretch your arm sideways. Bend your arm to touch your shoulder with your fingers. Which part of your arm did you bend? So strengthen your arm and try to bend it downwards. Are you able to do? No. Correct? So student, see, means while doing physical exercises, we are moving our arms. Or that time with the arms, we are moving also our shoulder. Correct? Or then we are bending our arms also. We are straightening our arms. Like this way we are doing physical exercise of our hand. So try to move the various parts of your body and record their movements in. So in table number 8.1. See, table 8.1, movements in our body. So neck rotates completely. Yes or no? No. Sorry. So don't write here. Rotates partially or turns. So we will turns our neck. So here write yes. It will bend. No. It will lift. ऐसे उठाते हैं नेक को. No. Does not move at all. वो कभी भी मूव नहीं होती. No. होती है. Partially turn होती है. Wrist. See, this is the student. So this is our wrist. So rotates completely. We rotates our wrist completely. Yes. Okay. Rotates partially turns. Yes. Bend. We are bending our. Yes. Wrist. Lift. We are lifting. Yes. And does not move at all. No. Finger. Rotates completely. Finger. we are rotating our finger completely. Yes, like this way we are rotating our finger. Rotates, partially turns. Yes. It will bend, our finger will bend. Yes. It will lift. Yes. And does not move at all. No. Knee rotates completely. No. Partially rotate. No. Then bends. It will bend. Yes. It will lift. No. And does not move at all. Here give the dash. एंकल, हमारा जो एंकल है, एंकल मतलब कहाँ पे, फिट, पैर के यहाँ पे जो होता है वो एंकल है, वो रोटेट होता है. नो. रोटेट पार्शली. नो. इट विल बेंड. ये सॉरी यस. लिफ्ट होता है. यस. एंड डज नॉट मूव एट ऑल. नो. टो. टो किसको बोलते हैं, जो हमारे लेग्स के फिंगर होते हैं उनको टो बोलते हैं. ओके, टो उनको क्या बोलते हैं, टो. It rotates completely. Toe rotates completely. No. Rotate partially. Bend. Yes. It will lift. Yes. And does not move at all. No. Back, हमारी जो back means जो हमारी पीछे back होती है. Rotates completely. No. Rotates partially. Turns. Yes. हम back को turn करते हैं ना. It will bend. It will lift also. And does not move at all. Dash. Head rotates completely. हमारा head rotate होता है. No. Rotates partially. थोड़ा थोड़ा होता है. It will bend. Yes. Here also yes. Sorry. Then lift. It will lift. Yeah. No. And move does not move at all. No. Elbow जो हाथ में होता है, वो हाथ के नीचे ऐसे वो जो राउंड होता है वो एल्बो. इट रोटेट कंप्लीटली. एल्बो रोटेट कर सकते हैं हम. नो. पार्शली. नो. इट विल बेंड्स. यस. इट विल लिफ्ट. यस. मूव डज नॉट एट ऑल. आर्म रोटेट्स कंप्लीटली. यस. आर्म बेंड्स also. We will bend our arms. It will lift also. Rotates, turn partially. Dash. So student, so these movements are happen in our different body parts. So why is it that we are able to move a few parts of our body easily in various direction and some only in one direction? Why are we unable to move some parts at all? See, why we are, see these are different body parts and these are their different movements. So why